guys, as always, it's Danny here, and welcome back to Jan the Man. This is by far my second best game. Happy SD Patrick's game. Yes, thank you. Okay, let's continue our story. And I had to uninstall this game and reinstall it because it was lagging too much and it was out of control. So let's start this game again, and so it begins again. Let's shoot him. Shoot. Yeah. Supersonic skills, my man. Yes. Yeah. Let's get this pot. Get that pot. Yes. Chicken. What? Disappearing clouds? You're always shopping. Don't want to buy anything right now. You wanna go? You wanna go, huh? Ha ha ha. Have some of this. And this too. Ha ha. Yes. Blah 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 blah. One more. Yes. Get the schools. Break the spot. And we are on to our story. Collect these coins. Jump. Yes. Lag problems. Over here. Jump up. Save point. Yes. What I was thinking I was going to do. Yes. Jump. Yeah. Take this. Eat this. Boom. Yes. Jump. Over here. Jump up. Jump. Progress saved. What? You missed? How can you miss? Ah, you are gone. Backflip, kickflips, punches. Yes. Behind. Yes. Yeah. Take it out. And jump. Yeah. Grab and throw. Let's grab and punch. Well, that did the same thing. Yes. Break his bones. Grind them into dust. Yes. Beat him. Up. Up. Go up. Up. Defeat this knight. Defeat. Not just leave it alone. The boys. Yes. New weapon. Now jump. Fight. Yes, I really need. I will die. Let's use sports. Yes. Defeated. Jump. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Yeah. Flying kick. Yeah. Oh. Eat this. Eat this. Not the gun shooters. Shotgun. Ah. You're gone, Mr. Podbad. Oh. This is too much. Yes. Yes, yes. Yeah. A chicken. With coins. Level completed. Let's take a picture and I'll make a thumbnail of it. Yeah. Dancing. Level completed. Thanks for playing. Thank you, dude. Yes. Continue. Get the revolt. Less 250 gold. Some skills are ready for an upgrade. I don't want to upgrade this. I want to upgrade this. Self-improved. Yes. Advanced down kick. Upgrade. Level up. Barry. Use Barry. Oh, I have to buy it. I'm not going to. Bike. Yes. Yeah. It was very large display. So I think I'm going to leave this episode right here. So thank you guys for watching. Please join Team TVX and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. So for that, goodbye. See you guys. Goodbye.